Have you ever thought about it? Why Venus becomes the planet with the highest temperature on the surface of the solar system? What exactly has it gone through? When the Venus 13 probe sent back the first Venus surface photo, scientists can't believe their eyes. Unexpectedly, the Venus environment is also in the Sun. Why is it so bad? To this end, humans launch multiple probes to Venus. After figuring out the physical properties of Venus, the world suddenly stopped exploring Venus. Until 2025. Scientists confirm that Linghua Chang and N were detected in the Venus clouds. Is there really life on Venus? After all, Ling Waking and N are on the Earth, which symbolizes life. For a moment, NASA and future human exploration plans for Venus. The 1970s. Soviet scientists have the mentality of dying from Venus to the end. I have to send the probe to this planet. But most detectors were burned as soon as they drilled into the Venus atmosphere. Some people even get out of control and crash when touched by Venus. It turns out that Venus has atmospheric pressure far exceeding the Earth. Until 1975. Venus 9 finally created a miracle. It actually landed successfully on the surface of Venus. Although it only lasted for 50 minutes. But it played out the first human photo of Venus on the surface. From the picture, Venus is full of cracked stones. Looks like burnt ceramic fragments. But this grainy photo. Let humans realize it for the first time. Venus is not the sister planet of the Earth at all. It's a creative wilderness world. To further explore Venus. 1982. Soviet Union launches Venus 13 and 14 again. This time they not only successfully took the first Venus color photo. Venus soil was also tested. Observation data display. The sky of Venus is dark yellow. Sulfate floating. The air is full of sulfur smell. Surface temperature up to 462 degrees Celsius. 92 times the pressure is the Earth. For the first time, humans learned that Venus is a world like jade refining. After 57 minutes, Venus 14 lost contact with the Earth. Venus 13 lasted for 127 minutes. Photos and data information sent back by these two detectors directly subverts human knowledge of Venus. 1989. NASA's Mesoron launches successfully. It doesn't use a camera at all. Instead, it is based on the launch of radar waves to conduct the meeting. It's equivalent to having an ultrasound examination for Venus. This investigation is incredible. Because the Mesoron finally unveiled a corner of the mysterious veil of Venus. Unexpectedly, the surface of Venus is full of solidified plains. Like a petrified sea of fire. The volcano is outrageous. More spectacular than any volcano on Earth. There are also some staple-shaped sliver domes. And the ripped orifice. It seems that this planet will fall apart at any time. The scariest thing is, scientists discover that the surface of Venus is only 300 million years old. Compared with other planets in the solar system, it is a novice village. Scientists speculate that Venus may have completely melted itself. More exciting things are still to come. 2024. Italian scientists find old data from the Mesoron 30 years ago. Suddenly I found something wrong. A volcano on Venus has changed shape in just a few months. The volcanic wall is covered with new appearance. This shows that Venus is not a dead star at all. It's still secretly erupting the volcano. But no one expected. Take high-definition photos of Venus. It's actually a detector that studies the Sun. 2018. Parker's solar probe glanced at the same time as he passed by Venus. As a result, the first visible light image of Venus' surface was taken. This wave of operation is purely unintentional insertion. Engineers aim the camera on the detector at Venus. No hope at all. Unexpectedly, the high temperature on Venus' surface would emit a faint light. Just happened to be captured by the camera. In the photo, the mountains and plains are as faint as shadows. A lighter place or a higher temperature. Or the terrain is higher. Even the ash in the atmosphere was taken. That's the light emitted by the oxygen source. It's a bit like the aurora of the Earth. But it looks weird on Venus. This wave of operation of Parker detector. It directly opens up new ideas for subsequent detection. It turns out that you don't have to break into the atmosphere of Venus. You can also see the appearance of Venus. 2020. They discovered Lin watching in the clouds of Venus. This night, it was either an industrial product on Earth, or it was made by yin-yang microorganisms. As soon as the news comes out, the scientific community is in full swing. Is there alien life hidden in the clouds of Venus? This incident quickly attracted the attention of multiple teams of scientists. 2025. The British team came up with new evidence. Lin watching's concentration actually changes day and night. I was exposed to ultraviolet rays during the day, but they emerged again at night. It's not like a simple chemical reaction. Then the possible peace in the atmosphere of Venus. Will it provide living conditions for vitamins to survive in extreme environments? After all, Angie acid can remain stable in high concentrations of fluid acid. To further clarify the detection of Lin watching in the Venus clouds, multiple space agencies plan to go through the next 10 years. A comprehensive examination for Venus. The Venus exploration mission that has been immersed in decades finally won the favor of scientists. NASA's Venus Surface Scanner, planned to launch in 2031. It will draw with high-precision radar. Even the cracks within 1 meter can be seen clearly. Will there be any activity on Venus volcanoes? We'll know at a glance. The European Air Lifting Point is planned to launch a detector specifically for CT for Venus in 2031. I hope to drill through the Venus-Earth's orifice to study its internal structure. See if its land manga will move. Is there really a sector moving? Russia's first mission of Venus. I originally wanted to launch in 2029. 2025 suddenly announced the postponement to 2036. This detector is an all-round suspension. Its lander is made of Taiha gold as its shell.